Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to delete MetaMask account. For that, first of all, you just have to launch your MetaMask mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now, once you're successfully logged in, on the home page, you are going to see this gear icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So you need to tap on this gear icon and then in the settings, you will have to tap on security and privacy. Once done, it may ask you to verify your password or your passcode or your fingerprints. So you will have to scan your fingerprints or provide your passcode in order to access security and privacy section. Once done, you just have to scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find the delete MetaMask option in the bottom. Now, once you have found delete MetaMask option, you need to tap on delete wallet and then you need to tap on I understand and continue. Then on the next page, you will have to follow further on-screen instructions in order to permanently delete your MetaMask account. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.